Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to show you top 10 websites that I wish you can download free PNG image without any stress. All you have to do is to watch the step by step I'm taking in this video and see how you can download high quality PNG image for free without any stress. So let's get started. But before I get tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about graphic design, importation, and some other content, you will be notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you have any question for me as far as today's tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. I will be glad to reply to whatsoever question you might have for me. So let's get started. So the first website I'm going to show you guys right here is this particular website here. You can see the URL here is png3.com. So in png3.com, you can download as many as possible free PNG, just like what you see on the screen right here, ranging from icons, light effect, location icon, mouse icon, and stuff like that. All you have to do is to try and browse as many as possible and get the file download in PNG file format. Let's, for instance, if I want to download this particular one right here, you can see you have to move your mouse to the image you would like to download, and you can download the EPS file. You can as well download PNG file. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can download PNG file. Like when I click on this one right here, I'm downloading the PNG file. So you can see it's going to prepare to another interface asking you to download for free and download unlimited when you join the premium version of the site. Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download the free PNG. So you have to click on here to click on download free PNG, and immediately you click on that, you're going to prepare your file and you get it download without any stress. That's the first thing about free PNG, png3.com. Okay, so so you can see the file right here. So the file has been downloaded, png3 underscore social media, stuff like that. So that is how you download free item from png3.com. So let me just close it up. So another website I have for you guys here is what we call PNG image. You can see it right here. This is the name of the site, pngimg.com. So that's the name of the site. All you have to do, so when you get to the site, you can browse all over this all over the site. You just so the name of the site is pngimage.com. So when you open the site, this is how it's going to open up. Then when you get to this site, all you have to do is to scroll down and then look for the type of picture you are looking for. Otherwise, you can make use of the search bar and type in the type of the picture you are looking for. You can see find PNG images. So you can search for the type of image you are looking for, or you can click by all these items right here based on what you are searching for. So let's say, for instance, you are looking for fruit stuff. So you can come here. Let's say you are looking for avocado or banana. Let me choose banana. So you are looking for PNG file for banana. You just have to click on the type of the picture you are looking for, and it's open up in another page. So you can see the name of the site right here. So once it's open up in another page, just like what you see right here, then you'll be able to scroll down and pick from the variety of the result of the image, and then you download your PNG file. Okay, so you can see variety of banana image has been pumped up, and from here you can easily download any one of your choice. So once it's open up, you can see the download button right here, so you can begin to download as many as possible. This is pure free PNG and very high quality free PNG as far as PNG image is concerned. So you can see the URL right here. So that is all about the PNG IMG website. So let's move to another one. Another one I have right here is what we call freepngs.com. You can see freepngs.com. So at this particular website also, at the top here, you can make use of search to search for any type of the PNG products you are looking for. So you can actually scroll down and then you see more free PNG that you can download and use for your design or for your graphic design or for a web design, what have you. So that is all about freepngs.com. So let's take a look at another website by which you can download free PNG. Okay. Another one I have here is what I call kindpng.com. So at this particular website here, you can see a variety of high quality PNG that you can as well download for your web graphic or print graphic or web design. So all these are free PNG that you can use to do different kind of design, stuff like that. So I'm going to close this and show you another website. So this is another website right here, guys. So this website here is subpng.com. On this website, there are a lot of PNG files you can as well download, such as you can see, such as calendar, summer, and stuff like that. There are a lot of things you can download for free. As far as this website is concerned, it is a free PNG file. So you can as well make use of search bar right here to type in whatever you are looking for. You can make use of keywords at the top right here to browse all over the type of the kind of the PNG image you are looking for. Finally, as far as sub PNG is concerned, you can upload free PNG image. If you want to be part of the contributor, you can upload a file to the website. So you're highly welcome. So this is what I have for you guys as far as sub PNG is concerned. So let's take a look at another website whereby you can download free PNG image. Okay. So another one I have here, guys, is what we call stickpng.com. So at this stickpng.com also, you can download a variety of free PNG image, such as logo. You can get a free logo here in a PNG file format. You can get icons. You can get a lot of things. As far you can see, you can get different type of social media icons in the PNG file format at this particular website. All you have to do is to browse all over the pictures, or you make use of the search bar on the site and look for what the particular type of picture you would like to download. So this is the search bar at the top right here. You can make use of it, right? So you can type in whatever type of picture you are looking for on the search bar. Then it brought up the right picture for you. Then from there you can download. You can as well change the language from this point here. You can change from English to whatever language you understand as far as stick PNG is concerned. So this is where what I have for you guys as far as PNG is concerned. So let's take a look at another PNG website. So another one I have right here is So another one I have for you guys here is PNG Wing. So you can see the URL right here, pngwings.com. Okay, this is pngwing.com. This is another website I have for you guys that you can use to download free PNG. Another website you can use to download free PNG as far as PNG free download is concerned. So let's take a look at another one I have for you guys where you can get free PNG without any stress. So I'm going to close this right here. Then this one right here is pngkey.com. So at this pngkey.com, you can see a lot of PNG file formats that you can download. All you have to do is to visit the site and type in whatever you want to type from the keyword right here. You can search and you can browse from the variety of results. And also you can upload an image here. If you want to be the contributor on the site, you can upload an image for free. And what you have to do, you can as well browse, you can explore the PNG file format in different keywords right here. You're looking for high, dragon, woman, flower, book, football, food, etc., and frame, birthday, reading, etc. There are a lot of PNG file formats you can download from this particular website called pngkey.com also. So let's take a look at the last one I have for you guys as far as PNG free download is concerned. Right one here I have for you guys is another beautiful website by which you can download free PNG, and the website is pngitem.com. At this particular website here, there are a variety of PNG image you can download all for free for your graphic or for your web design, as the case may be. So this is what I have for you guys as far as free image in PNG file format is concerned. You feel free to explore all the website I try to share with you guys. If you have any further website that you guys think it is more better than all the one I've been mentioned previous in this video, you can kindly put it in the comment section down below. Let us help each other to get more PNG resource website for our graphic design. Hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you find this video useful, give the video a big thumb up. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly click on the subscribe button so that whenever I upload content,